Gee, isn't it a beautiful day?
Well, yeah, I guess so. But I don't think it's ever been anything else.
Why would you ever want it to be anything else?
I don't know. I guess I'm just ready for a change. Dave, there's a growing curiosity inside me.
Well, Bob, you know they say curiosity killed the cat.
Well, who the hell said that anyway? Plus, I can't help it.
Here, Bob, just focus on the moment.
Why are we here?
I don't know, Bob. But whatever the reason is, I'm sure it's a good one. Or else whoever put us here wouldn't have done it.
Good argument. But, get this. What if we were put here as a test? What if we were put here to answer that question for someone else? What? What if we were put here to find the meaning of life for some big depressed God?
Bob, wait. Bob, it's just a mirage. It's not real.
It's totally worth running for.
Bob! Bob, wait! Bob! Bob, come back! Come back!
What? What the fuck? What? Oh no. Dave! I guess you never really know the true value of something until it's gone.